My best friend. Let me tell you about my best friend. This is my best friend, Irma. She lives in the USA, but she isn't American. She is Bosnian. She's a teacher like me. Irma is tall and slim. She's got strong arms and small feet. She's got long red hair. Her hair is straight, like mine. She's got big brown eyes and a beautiful face. She's very kind and intelligent. Irma is very creative too. Can you describe my best friend? Can you describe your best friend? Awesome!